Good morning. I would like to thank all of you thank you, for being here this morning for this very important initiative that is happening here in the city. And the initiative is called NCCER, and that's the National Center for Construction and Educational Research. I am Otis Jennings. For those of you who do not know me, I am the president of the upstate region of the National Association of Minority Contractors. We saw a tremendous need to have this educational initiative in the construction-related fields brought here to Syracuse and to reach a population that really needed this type of training in order to be successful in the construction-related fields. So we are very happy to be here. I just want to say that these young men standing behind me, when they complete this program, it's a 10-week training. They finish 4.5 weeks of training and they receive their core certification. They all will receive a card that will go into the national database, and they will be a part of a very important national construction-related program, as well as some of the things that are going on around here in the city of Syracuse. You know that there's a lot of construction-related projects. We wanted to make sure that these young men, who are more than capable, and I'm proud of every last one of them, can do the work that needs to be done to make sure that they can work and provide for their families here in the city of Syracuse. We have a number of partners that have come aboard to help us out with this initiative. To my left is Mr. Andy Breuer from Hueber-Breuer. The mayor's office saw the significance of this initiative, and they're helping us. EOC, they're a very important part, as well as Syracuse University and the SSIC Center. I just want to, before I bring the mayor on, I just want to mention that once again, this is what we're doing. We're about curriculum, we're about education, and we're about giving these men something that is solid. And that's what's great about this particular initiative. It will give them a curriculum to work in the construction-related fields. And I want to just add that NCCER offers over 45 different craft and construction-related initiatives that these young men can go into, as well as 7 in the pipeline and maintenance fields. So with that being said, I am going to bring on our great mayor, and I'm excited that she is with us. Guys, let's give her a big hand. And I will bring her on. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you for joining us here today. One of the key missions of my administration has been to create jobs and make sure that we had opportunity for everybody in Syracuse. And it became clear to us that there was a gap between the jobs that were available and the skills that people in the city had in order to be able to apply for those jobs or get those jobs. This partnership between developers like Hueber-Breuer, with the university, with the SSIC Center, and of course Otis leading the charge, and the SUNY EOC allows us to bridge that gap. Because what we are trying to do is make sure that everybody is benefiting from the turnaround of the Syracuse economy. So it's not just a few at the top who are getting it, but people in our neighborhoods are able to work, get the jobs that they need, take care of their families, and then have a skill that they can transition into another. So this is a very important piece of that puzzle. Otis asked me to be a partner in this. I told him it filled the need that we had in the city. But when he told me to ask me to partner with him, he didn't tell me I could say that myself. So, Otis, that's all you had to say, and I would have been here immediately. I want to thank all of you for really taking a step forward and doing it, because it is not easy to engage in training and workforce development. You got to get out of bed every morning. You got to take risks and say that making this investment will be better for your people